What's up, guys? Welcome back to Road to the Two Comic Club. Justin here, and going to talk about some articles today. I'm also going to link to some articles that I'm not going to talk about, but very important. I would highly suggest you checking those out. Links will be in the description. In terms of stocks, we lost only 158 bucks today. I'll post a screenshot of how the stocks were doing. We started off pretty well. We were up, I think, as much as like $5 at one point, but then we kind of came back down. So in terms of our winners and losers, I will post them here, and you can kind of pause the video if you want to look at that, but it was pretty uneventful today. Again, only lost $158, so nothing too big. Again, a lot of volatility with the trade wars and stuff going on, but we do have some exciting news about that, so I'm going to talk about that pretty much right now. So the first article that I'll talk about is called Dow Jones Futures Spike as China's Xi Jinping vows to open up economy. So, as you know, Trump and him have been going through a trade war, like talks of a trade war, blah, blah. And he said that he made a broad statement in favor of a more open economy. He said, in today's world, the trend of peace and cooperation is moving forward, and a Cold War mentality and zero-sum game thinking are outdated. So that was really good news. He also said that he is going to lower tariffs on auto imports, and he also said that he would ease restrictions on foreign automakers' ownership of Chinese operations. And then Trump tweeted that he would always be friends with Xi. So kind of a little turn of events there. It seems like both of them are kind of calming down a little bit, and that's really good news because the stocks were doing well as a result of that. And one of the big things going on tomorrow will be Mark Zuckerberg testifying in front of Congress for the first time. So a lot of eyes will be on him for sure. And we'll be keeping an eye on Facebook stock as a result of that. Now let's move on to the next one. This is really, really exciting. Again, Nvidia, I'm just so stoked and geeked out on Nvidia. It's just crazy. This article is how Nvidia is helping Disney bring Star Wars to life. So they're teaming up with Epic Games, the video game developer who is responsible for Fortnite, which you probably have heard of. They're teaming up to make a immersive 3D experience, like a ride with Star Wars. And I jotted some notes down, but please read this article. It is just epic the way, no pun intended, what they're going to be doing. And I will for sure be making a trip there if I can. It's at the Disney World, Disneyland locations. I'm not sure when it's coming out, but it says in the article, it said visitors will be able to pilot the ship, the Millennium Falcon, fire blasters, and prepare for hyperspace jump in the real-time flight simulators. Feature ultra-high resolution graphics using Nvidia's Quadro Sync technology to synchronize 5 projectors, quote, for the creation of dazzling ultra-high resolution, perfectly timed displays to fully immerse the riders in the world of Planet Batu. It is just crazy. They're using 8 Quadro P6000 graphics cards. I don't even know how those work. It's just so exciting, though. I mean, Nvidia's making huge strides in the graphics game. And speaking of, we talked about ray tracing before, but this other article says that Nvidia stock gains after Morgan Stanley says the cryptocurrency weakness offers a buying opportunity. So with the cryptocurrencies, there has been a decline in their market cap for like almost every single cryptocurrency. People are saying mining is no longer that viable, it's not that profitable, but he says it could create, the analysts here say it could create a buying opportunity because they have other aspects that they're going to make money with. So this little dip could be a good buying opportunity. Now they have a price target of $258 per share, and I mean I think they're pretty close to that right now. I can't remember. No, it might not be. They fell in recent days, but had a good. We'll be expecting them to go up soon. I think just because of all the trade stuff. I think everything's going to start going back up for the short term. I don't know. It's so choppy though. It's hard to tell. But anyways. Yeah, so let's see, what else did I write down? They said that it's increasingly clear that all roads lead back to Nvidia as the most direct beneficiary of trends in machine learning. So again, with stuff like that, it's just, Nvidia is just in a prime position. So my arm's getting tired, so with that said, we're just gonna leave it at that. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, I'm gonna post links in the description. Oh, one link I didn't talk about that I wanted to talk about was called The Best Way to Play the New Lithium Boom. Talking about a company in Canada, not Chile or the other countries that people have talked about for mining lithium. This is Canada. This company, Northern Lithium, They said that Canada's sitting on at least 1 million tons of lithium worth at least $20 billion at current prices, and this company could be in a good spot to mine a bunch of lithium. So I didn't read the whole article, so please read that, link in the description. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.